In this video, you will learn how to add and subtract positive and negative numbers. We will build strong intuition with the number line, with simple rules for adding numbers with the same sign, adding numbers with different signs, and a powerful trick for subtraction that turns every problem into addition. First, a quick reminder about signs. A positive number is greater than 0. We can write +5 or simply 5. A negative number is less than 0. We write -3 with a minus sign in front. On the number line, right is positive and left is negative. Rule 1. When you add two numbers with the same sign, add their absolute values and keep their common sign. For example, +7 + 4 equals +11. Let us walk that on the number line. Start at 0, move 7 to the right, then 4 more to the right, and you land at +11. The same idea works for negative numbers. -6 plus -2 equals -8. Start at 0, move 6 left, then 2 more left, and you land at -8. Rule 2. When you add numbers with different signs, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value, and keep the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. A great way to see why is with a chip model. A plus chip and a minus chip together make 0. Consider +9 plus -5. Pair 5 plus chips with 5 minus chips. They cancel to 0. You have 4 plus chips left, so the answer is +4. Try another one, -7 plus +2. The absolute values are 7 and 2. 7 is larger, and it belongs to the negative number, so the result will be negative. 7 minus 2 equals 5, so the answer is -5. Subtraction becomes easy with one powerful idea. A minus b equals a plus the opposite of b. That means subtracting a number is the same as adding its opposite. For example, +8 minus +3 is the same as +8 plus -3, which equals +5. Here are 3 more quick examples. +4 minus -6 is the same as +4 plus +6, which equals +10. -2 minus +5 is the same as -2 plus -5, which equals -7. -3 minus -9 is the same as -3 plus +9, which equals +6. For quick tips to lock it in. 1. When you see minus followed by minus, change it to plus. 2. Decide first, is this addition or subtraction? 3. For addition, use the same sign rule or the different sign rule. 4. Check the final sign makes sense with your absolute value reasoning. Time to practice. Try these, then we will reveal the answers. Part A, +12 plus -7. Part B, -5 plus -8. Part C, +3 minus +9. Part D, -4 minus -1. Here are the answers. For Part A, +5. For Part B, -13. For Part C, -6. For Part D, -4 plus 1 equals -3. Great work! Remember, same signs, add the absolute values and keep the sign. Different signs, subtract the absolute values and keep the sign of the larger absolute value. And always turn subtraction into addition of the opposite. With these 3 ideas, every problem is manageable